till the end, but I'm only human.
Hello everyone, this is another first vlog on day 2, morning 2, and we're currently on the bus heading to Mexico. We're on the northern bus, which is the better bus clearly because we're all northern, and the southerners are on the other bus. They're in front of us, but not for long. I don't know what else to say really. It's a cloudy-ish morning. I don't know what temperature we're meant to be getting in Mexico, but I'm hoping it's a bit warmer than this because I'm in shorts, which is a rare occasion. Just generally. Alright, no need for the close-up of the legs, is he, okay? She's just jealous of my gorgeous legs. Anyway, that's about all I'm going to do for vlog 2, so
my words, they're out there now on the road, and are they going to be safe? Are they going to enjoy it? Is everything going to run smoothly? Will there be any accidents? I hope not, and thankfully there wasn't any accidents. So I did feel quite anxious, and every day I waited longingly for the text to come through from Ellie to tell me how things were going, and I knew then that everybody was okay. So it was quite an anxious time, but I just trusted that they would all be fine, and they were.
Shower in a bin bag with a spout, which is a little bit better. And although you can wash your hair, it's definitely not handy.
what do you hope?
I hope that the family have a good future, and I hope the children that run around our building site have a good future as well, and have a stable life to live in.
What's the journey from the UK to Tirana like?
Rocketing. Train was smooth, plane was interesting because you had a bit of turbulence, but the bus drive from the camp to the build site is just like a roller coaster. You get every single pothole, every single rock. Literally, you shake up and down like a.
Welcome to Mexican Cribs. You can see our work in progress house. Now, if you just follow me, I'll introduce you to some of the folks building. Here we have John and we have Mark. We have a ladder. We have Sue here. We have Stan with his camera. If we enter the property, it's made of the finest woods that Mexico can offer. Here we have Alex and Sarah. They are working very hard. As you can see, it's beautiful and shady in here, and it's a really cool place to hang out. Both meanings of the word. Now, as you can see, we've got the roof half on. We'll hopefully finish that today. And yeah, that's how. So Luke, how did you feel coming to Mexico?
Slightly nervous because I'm not too interested in Mexican food, but it's actually alright.
What did you expect?
I expected like toilets to be a hole in the ground, and I didn't expect all these surroundings around me.
What do you do at night?
At night we have tent meetings where we worship and we sing songs and we do games like Cube.
What do you want to do when you go back to...
His unchanging grace.
This is like the final vlog, I think. I'm currently here in LAX, which is the airport. Wait there, Luke, we are vlogging. And I'm here amongst a lot of people who are flying home. And I've seen the plane. And the plane has Smaug, the dragon from Lord of the Rings, on it. And I am extremely excited to be flying practically inside of a dragon. That excites me a lot. Doesn't excite a lot of other people, but it excites me. How am I feeling at the moment? I'm very happy to be going home, but I think once I get home, I will be forever mourning going to Mexico. How have I found Mexico? How did I find yesterday? I found yesterday, I thought I was going to cry. I didn't. I did cry the night before that though, so I kind of think that in anticipation for the last day, I did cry, and that was my crying moment, and I have done that. Yeah, the last day was fantastic. We had a meal with family in a big kind of almost road party kind of thing, and it was absolutely fantastic. And the hotel last night, very nice to be in a nice bed, but we're going to be on the plane pretty soon. And I have enjoyed flying with Air New Zealand because it's amazing, and the films are amazing, and the games are amazing, and yeah, 10 hours on that flight will go quickly. So yeah, that's the vlog over.
This event and great experience, not only in house building but mixing with other people as well, and meeting new people and seeing a different side to how people live in Mexico in the port areas.
Sound. Oh, may I then in him be found, dressed in his righteousness alone, faultless stand before